Hey guys, this is my W210 2001 E320 and we're going to do a $100 oil change. As you can see, we mainly got everything freshened up in this engine bay. This car drives immaculate, especially if you take good care of this bad boy. This car drives amazing, very reliable, and I can't even complain about it. And when I say $100 oil change, I mean that $100 oil change. Anyway, we got our parts right here. Got a filter, something cheap, nothing too crazy. Got to change the seals and all that. So it's gonna be pretty easy. Now after we drain the oil, we're gonna remove the top. Thank God the filter is on top instead of below the car. As you can see. All right, guys, so we are removing the old seals, placing on new seals, and we've got a new filter right here. All right, guys, we got new seals, new filter going in. Into the hole she goes. So, guys, this car take 8.5 quarts. I already put the 5 quarts in. It's gonna be about 7 quarts, I believe. There you go.